Good afternoon, guys. What's up? It's Chase backing in for another video. Today we're going to be doing a LasFit fog light install. These are switchbacks, so they're white and they're yellow. Sorry, I'm a little sweaty today. It's pretty hot here in Alabama where I am, and it's also raining on top of that. LasFit was kind enough to ask me to do a review and an install of their LasFit fog lights. These are going to be the switchback fog lights. Not sure how well you can see this, but they're going to be white and also yellow. Now they are going to be a two-piece install, so it's going to have a little ballast, and that's also going to have the bulb itself. Alright guys, this is what the box looks like. It's kind of like an Apple box, how it's suction with the air. Alright, so you get some LasFit stickers. We have a white one, have a black one, have a red one, and you got your user manual, LasFit logo on the back. It also shows you the install steps. Now they do come with a 1-year warranty. Alright, so we have the ballast here, LasFit logo. Let's see. So this is going to be for the H8, H9, and H11 bulbs. So this is for a 2017 Civic, so a 10th Gen Civic. These are for the fog lights. Pretty high quality ballast. And then even with the, I guess you can call it weather looming, it's even braided, and like a fabric material versus plastic. So that's very nice. So you get 2 of those. Alright, then we have the bulb itself. Same thing as that braided fabric material on there. And it does have a pretty thick O-ring or a weather ring. It's a pretty good quality product. So you have 3 10 mils you're going to remove. Let's see. And I don't know if you can see this right here. This is another 10 mil. You remove this one, so in total 4 10 mils. Now this one, it's got like a, I'm not sure what, maybe like a spacer or a washer on it. And the other 3 do not have that. So just keep that in mind. Whenever you put this one back in, it'll be the one that has this little spacer that's built onto the bolt. You have this clip right here, this clip right here. And I don't think this clip holds it in, but you got 1, 2, 3, and you can take this one out for safe measure. So let me grab a flathead and see if I can get this real quick. And there's one, let's see. Is that all of them? Yep, that'll be all of them. So once you have that peeled down, let me move the camera for you. There's the PRL intake filter. Let me see here, that's my current fog lights I have, so I'm going to see if I can get a camera angle so you can see that. So there's my current fog light. So having this intake cone makes it a lot harder, but you'll spin clock or counterclockwise and it'll come out. So this is what I currently have in there. Just little Amazon, I think the brand's Alla. Now it's done fine. They haven't had any issues with them. Had them for, I think, 3 years now. So, looks like maybe this weather seal went bad because I don't know if you can see it, probably not, but there's a little bit of moisture on the bulb. So it looks like this ring right here is not that great of a ring. So here's the LasFit replacement. So we have, here's the bulb. You got the little seal right here. And this part will connect to this part on the ballast. And the lighting's a little rough. So, and this is going to connect to this piece, which is the part of the stock lighting harness. So you'll connect these to these, and then this will go to the stock harness. You want to start by putting the actual bulb in. So let me see if I can see anything. Kind of hard to see. I'm trying the best I can with lighting. So this piece and this piece will go together. And then the bulb itself once you have that screwed on, I mean, you can zip tie this somewhere, which I'm definitely going to. Let's see. Well, we'll probably end up zip tying it here. Yeah, that'll be the best spot to zip tie it. So, let me grab a zip tie. You know, not anything super tight. Just something where it's not gonna move around or dangle much. Just cut. A nice clean cut. Alright, let's go ahead and put everything back. Alright. Got these plastic clips. Alright. Now remember this one goes on the outside here. I just think having the impact gun makes things a lot quicker. I mean, it's definitely not needed, but it does make things much quicker. For that reason. I think this battery is cheaping out on me. Now for the other side. Alrighty guys, you're going to take off this 10 mil, this 10 mil, this 10 mil, this 10 mil, and we're going to take out this clip, and there should be one clip here, but I guess it fell out or something. Oh, this one. Knew I was forgetting one. So this, whenever you move all this, you're gonna let this come out freely. Alright, and then that's gonna be the other fog light right here. Alright, so here's the fog light here. So I find it easiest to spin it counterclockwise. And once it comes down, you can just pull this little tab. That comes out. As you can see, I've been using the brand Alla, and they've done pretty good. I've had these in for maybe, these are yellow. I went yellow first, and then I had the yellow for like a year, then got white, and then a few buddies were like, we like the yellow, so I figured, well, what other better opportunity is there than to get switchbacks? So that's what I got. Here they are. Alright. So the other side was a little tricky. got it. So that's in there. Let me get that ballast. Here's the ballast. Alright, so there's 5. There's 1 missing at the top. And if you look, there's that 1 at the top that's missing there that we need to match up. So it looks like it's turning at 9 o'clock roughly. So turn this one 9 o'clock. Just to line it up easier. I need to get a light. Alright. And I've thought about it, why don't you just try to line it up before you put it in? But you'll be turning the bulb trying to get it lined up. And this whole ballast will be in there spinning with you. So I thought about it. Let's see. I'm just trying to make sure my hands are in the way so you guys can see. Alright, so I got it. There's this little piece right here. Slide it up, and then you thread it up. And it's kind of like a keeps water from getting into the connection. So it's kind of like a weatherproof, not really a seal, but helps keep water out. And once you have that threaded up all the way, you take the stock connector. Uh-oh, got a little water dripping down the line. Connect it. And like we did on the other side, we're gonna use a zip tie, hold the ballast right here out of the way. So that's out of the way. It's not gonna be rubbing on the intercooler piping here. So that's good. Alright, and then we put everything back. Alright, so we're gonna start putting everything back. Alright. And then remember, you got this one that has, whoops, this bolt that has this little hat or whatever on it, this little spacer. Goes right here. What's up, guys? I hope you can see me in this lighting here. It's pretty much pitch black. There's no street lights. I visited a new subdivision, a new construction zone. There's no street lights. Doesn't look like the moon's out. So I'm going to do a not really a comparison. I'm going to do a review on how the light output is from these new fog lights. So I'm going to show me facing them doing a switchback from white to yellow. And then also I'm going to be doing through the windshield I have 50% tint with 35% on top. So I'm going to do a not really a comparison, but like how does it look going through the windshield with tint, and then also I'm going to do it outside of the car with no tint, not through a window either. So looking through the windshield, this is, yeah, it's done. So that's with that's actually with brights. That's with the fog lights, okay. So that's brights, doesn't really look that bright. That's the fog lights. Yeah, so right now it's yellow. So right now this is yellow fogs. That's with white fogs. That's back to yellow. So right now I'm about to get into the car and I'm going to switch the fog lights from yellow to white and then back to yellow and then back to white for the comparison. to yellow, from yellow to white, and then from white back to yellow. I feel like the white gives a better light output on the road, but you know, that yellow just gives that JDM look. So here's a comparison here. It's like the white light just reaches out a little bit further on the road. I mean, the yellow does fine. You can see where the headlight is right here on the horizon, how it cuts off right there. Let's switch to white. And the white does really good. And you can kind of see the cutoff right here. As far as the light goes, same thing with that's how it's going to get the camera. You know, that yellow, it gives off that JDM look, yo. I actually was the idiot that bought yellow fog lights at first, had them for about a year, and I was like, you know, I kind of want to switch up. So then I bought white fog lights. Okay, had them, switched them back to yellow, and I was like, you know, I could have just got switchbacks, had both, you know, in one bowl, with having to jack the car up, install them, things like that. So I am glad that LasFit reached out to me to ask to install and review their product. So thank you, Miss Vicky at LasFit, for reaching out. I do appreciate that. They're a very good quality company. I have their wireless charging magnetic foam mount. I have their floor mats, and then now I have their switchback fog lights. And then I'm planning on doing the full exhaust video. A lot of people really want to hear flybys. Since I made my exhaust video, I've actually installed the titanium turbo inlet pipe. I've gotten K-tuner. I guess that's it, because I had the intake on, then I got the exhaust. Then I did the PRL titanium turbo inlet pipe, K-tuner V2. I've done a few other things. I've gotten the APR extended studs all around. I've gotten, let's see what else, 22mm white line rear sway bar, SPC camber arms. I guess I really haven't done too much. I do want to give a shout out to all the new subscribers. I think I've gained 50 since March, so I really do appreciate you guys that have subscribed. I do appreciate anybody that has been viewing the videos. That is very much appreciated. Sorry I have been inactive. I'm still trying to buy a house. Kind of growing up, you know, getting in the mindset of working less on cars, trying to get a house, finances, investments, trying to make my money work for me, pretty much. I've also been busy with a few local friends with a photography group, working, trying to do video work, improve there. So I do appreciate all the patience that you guys have given me when I make videos and upload them, things like that. I am working on doing better editing, trying to get better angles, more interesting angles. Chromatic Garage, that's one of the biggest channels that I follow or that I watch, and I really like their editing style, their angles, their composition for video. So I am gonna try to dabble and mess around, test things, do that. Let me see if I can get a video of the PRL titanium inlet pipe for you guys. I'll have to do it in better daylight, but there it is. So I got these carbon bits here. So that does wrap it up for the video, guys. Thank you again for tuning in. I am gonna try to do a giveaway here soon, see if I can partner with LasFit and see if I can get maybe you know, a magnetic wireless charging phone mount, maybe floor mats, maybe these Switchback LED fogs. I am gonna have a discount code in the bio for you guys, Chase10. If you guys want to use Chase10 at checkout, you'll get 10% off. I don't get any kickback off that right now. I did apply to be part of the commission or the partnership program with them. So maybe I can get some kickback, get some more car parts for you guys, maybe upgrade my camera equipment for better videos. The floor mats I've had since March. I am going to do a review video of those and then clean them. Pan the Organizer has a video of using a certain cleaner for rubber floor mats. I'm going to buy that product and use them. As far as the fog lights, they give great output, so I definitely recommend them. Thank you for tuning in, guys. Peace.